Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Achievers Tutorial Center. Today we are going to be solving this simultaneous equation. We have x squared minus 4y squared equals to 9, and we also have 3x plus 4y equals to 7. So what I like to do in this situation, let's call this an equation 1, and let's call this an equation 2. So from the equation 2, you can either choose to make x or y the formula of a subject. So I'll make x the formula of a subject. So we'll start by saying minus 4y on this side and minus 4y also on this side. So this will cancel this, and we'll be left with 3x equals to 7 minus 4y. So we divide by 3 on this side, we divide by 3 on this side. So we have our equation as x equals to 7 minus 4y divided by 3. So this is going to be important in this equation is going to be important in this problem. So from our first equation, let's substitute the value of x. So we have x squared minus 4y squared equals to 9. So there where we see x, we are just going to substitute with 7 minus 4y divided by 3. So we are going to have 7 minus 4y, and this divided by 3, and we squared, and minus 4y squared equals to 9. So let's simplify this. When we simplify this, we are going to have it's going to be 16 y squared. So this is going to be 28. So it's going to be minus 56y, then plus 49 and over 9 minus 4y squared equals to 9. So let's kill our denominator. So we can do that by multiplying by 9 on this side, and multiplying also this by 9, and also multiplying this by 9. So this 9 will cancel this, and we are just going to be left with 16y squared minus 56y plus 49 minus, so 4y squared multiplied by 9, that will give us minus 36y squared equals to 9 multiplied by 9, that is 81. So let's simplify this. Let's collect the like terms. The like terms in this case is 16y squared minus 36y squared, so that will be minus 20y squared minus 56y plus 49 and equals to 81. So let's subtract 81 on this side minus 81 on this side. So this will cancel this. So you'll be left with minus 20 y squared minus 56y. So 49 minus 81, that gives us 32. So we are going to have minus 32, and this equals to 0. So we can simplify this third. We see that the lowest common multiple of minus 20 minus 56 minus 32, that is minus 4. So we can divide by minus 4, divide by minus 4, divide by minus 4, divide by minus 4. So minus 20y squared divided by minus 4, that gives us 5y squared plus, so 56, that 56, it goes 56, it goes once, so it's going to give us 14y. So that is going to be plus 8 equals to 0. So we are going to look for the, so when we get to this point, we're simply going to multiply 5 by 8, and that gives us how much? That gives us 40. So when we find 40, we are going to look for two numbers that when we multiply them, they give us 40, and when we add them, they give us this middle term, which is 14. So those two numbers, they are 10 and 4. So we are going to split 14y into those vectors. So it's going to have 5y squared plus 10y plus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. So so you're going to group this like this, So let's factorize this one. So when we factorize 5y squared plus 10y, we are going to have 5y outside, and we are going to have y plus 2. And when we factorize 4y plus 8, we are going to have so it's going to be plus 4 here. We are going to have y plus 2 here, and this equals to 0. So when we simplify this, this simplifies to 5y plus 4 and y plus 2, and this equals to 0. So from this we can see that y equals to -2, or y equals to minus 4/5. So now that we have found the values of y, now let's find the values of x. Remember, I said this equation is going to be important. This one, x equals to 7 minus 4y divided by 3. So we are going to use it to find the values of x. So let's call this y1 and this y2. So let's substitute y1 from this equation, which is x equals to 7 minus 4y over 3. So when we substitute the value of y, which is minus 2, we are going to have x equals to, it's going to be 7 minus, so when we say minus 4 multiplied by minus 2, that is going to give us plus 8, and this divided by 3, it's going to give us, so 7 plus 8 is how much? It's 15. That divided by 3, it gives us 5. So we can say that x1 equals to 5. So now let's find x2. So we are going to substitute the value of y2. So we are going to have it's going to be 7 minus, so when we substitute the value of y is going to be 4, then y it's going to be minus 4/5. Okay, and all of this divided by 3, right? So let's simplify. This will equals to 7 plus 16 over 5, and this and we multiply this by 1/3. So multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. So when we distribute 1/3 here, we are going to get 7/3 plus 16/15. So the lowest common multiple here is going to be 15. So 3 into 15, it goes 5 times. So 5 multiplied by 7, that gives us 35, plus 15 into 15, it goes once. 1 multiplied by 16, it gives us 16. So 35 plus 16, that gives us 51 over 15. So we can simplify this further by dividing by 3. So 51 divided by 3, that gives us 17, and 15 divided by 3, that is going to give us 5. So we can say that x2 equals to 17 over 5. So here is the final solution, which just going to write the x1 comma y1. So this equals to x1 is 5 comma minus 2, and we put x2 comma y2 equals to, so x2 is how much? It's 17 over 5 comma y2 is how much? Y2 is minus 4 over 5. So I hope you learned something important today. Remember that Achievers Tutorial Center is a school that offers supplementary and extra classes. We have both online and physical classes. So if you have any question, just ask us in the comment section and we will reply to you. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.